Hey guys, it's Dr. John from Baugh Medical Organization. Thanks for tuning back in to our instructional video series. This week we're going to be talking about our KRP. This is our knee replacement prosthetic. A few years ago we were approached and asked to find a solution for reconstruction after the recovery of an isolated knee, which was done for research only. I know some of you guys are doing that, and the reconstruction after that is very difficult. What we did, we used our central dowel and our single pin retention system that you guys have become familiar with, and we made it fit that space that was left after the reconstruction or recovery of that knee. All you got to do is be able to take this spike, put it in the central medullary canal of the distal femur, and then the same thing with the distal spike into the proximal end of the recovered tibia. Extend it out to the length, put in your single pin that comes in your accessory pack, and then you're done. Do the same thing for the other side. There's holes that you can be able to make each side match up. You can also use an optional patella prosthetic. This provides an even better aesthetically pleasing recovery at the end. It's a great recovery. Let us know what you guys think. Go ahead and use these. Give us a call, give us a shout, and give us your feedback. We're always looking for feedback. I do want to give one additional shout out this time, and that is for one of our suppliers, and that's United Wood Products here in Washington, Utah. They give us and supply us with reclaimed hardwood that we use for our central dowel. It helps us to be a green company. We think small things to help our environment are the least that we can do. So shout out to United Wood Products. Thanks for your guys' support, and give us feedback on any of our products. Thanks guys. Goodbye.